is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. And by the title down below, we are going to do the smack or fact challenge. So guys, I'm your boy Billy.
Hello.
She's silly.
I'm your girl Kavian, and today's video we're gonna use this. So if one of we get the question wrong, we're gonna use the powder box. So let's get into
the video. You first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You first.
Rock, paper, scissors. Come on. Oh, go first.
No, you.
Can the scissors can cut the rock?
Oh, you've cut the rock.
So I need to go first. Alright. Where put my question in for? Alright, so the first question. What's my middle initial?
S. Da.
Okay. Alright,
Let's
that's
go.
easy.
Alright, people. Alright, people. See me? 1, 2. Alright. Yeah, one. How long ago I stopped smoke?
2 years.
Yeah, 2 years.
2 years, Billy.
2 years, me get it. Is it?
1 year and couple months.
Yes, 2 years ago already.
Billy, it's 2 years,
No,
right?
yeah, 2 years. And right after me I stopped that, I stopped smoking. I smoke.
You can't have to use so much.
No.
Take that. Take
Come
that
on,
box, me no. Take that.
Nah, box at me, man.
Me no bother want to do that video here.
Why?
Which fast food I like the most?
KFC.
Why am I asking them easy questions?
People.
Go on, look at this bed.
I can't wipe up. People, this proves that you who best.
But it's 2 years, babe.
No, it can't be 2 years. Alright, me now.
Sure.
KFC or burger. Which one do I rather?
KFC.
Burger.
Really? No man, that video na upload.
I mean that
KFC because that's all me see him eat.
Because
it's
of
KFC,
you,
baby.
no,
Because of me, you're not gonna buy what you want.
No, listen what I say. If me buy, if she asks me what me want, I say burger. But if she say KFC, me go KFC. But whole thing me gonna buy a KFC, me not buy the big deal or the meal deal. What me gonna buy? Zinger. So that proves that people burger.
Alright. You know for you
Hey,
so much.
come on. Turn the next jar. People look like that. Why now?
Go on. Where next question?
Your question now.
Why I cut my hair? Why do I cut my hair? I'm glad me answer the question before the video starts, you know.
People, come, it's a question.
Why I cut my hair?
So I get a smack for this. It's very unfair. You see me? But I cut it down to a level, people.
Why I cut my hair?
Yeah, man. You tell me, say, you want a change or you want your ear a break every minute, so you want to grow back naturally. And if you smack me for that, it is very unfair.
Alright, I get answer.
People, thumbs up. Me, know my woman. Come.
So you say me no know my man?
Me not say that. I know me not get that smack. Alright, people. Why did I stop going to church?
People like really?
You have to know. I'ma tell you. If you don't know me, I can box you.
Me don't know. Unless it's just that him say him not in the church thing no more. And that you say you don't in the church thing no more, Billy. And that you tell me. Why answer? What is that?
People are hypocrite. That's what I'm telling you.
But guys, I never that him tell me say him not in the church thing no more. Him never tell me say the church people them are hypocrite. So if the church people are hypocrite, find a different church.
People. I'm not a box off your one. Not a box off your one.
Oh, you better not.
Your answer. Your question, people.
What's the second best thing I like to do?
The second best thing I like to do?
Yeah. What me love do? What the first thing me love? What me love? What me enjoy doing?
The second thing, no people, that unfair. The second thing she like to do?
Come on.
People?
What is the second best
thing?
thing I like to do? I think I mentioned it in a previous video.
Alright.
When me a get answer?
Well, I say me get back, say I wanna again totally unfair because I get it right. But you know, the second best thing she love, she always want the YouTube. And the second best thing she love, a makeup.
Wrong. Come.
What the answer?
Come,
What the answer?
cook. First thing me love do makeup. You know that already. Second best thing I like to do is cook. Come no man, ramp with me. Stop.
Take your box, box.
Come no man. Come.
Take that box.
You say you're unfair. You're unfair bad. Come, your question. Guys, the same unfair.
People.
Team Cavian in the comment section.
What's that, people?
Hashtag Team Cavian.
How many siblings do I have?
Billy.
Fast and quick, huh? Teacher shall check.
5.
My box
A
it up.
4.
My box it up. No,
Me
5.
must say a 5.
5
A 4.
No, 5
A 4.
What are your first people?
Joseph.
5. 5 my ear first.
A 4, Billy.
So why am I here 5?
It was just an error. 4.
No, it's not for me an error. That's the point.
A 4.
So people, how much box again? 5? 5 to 1. Come. Give me a hard one.
How long I wanted to start YouTube?
How long you wanted to start YouTube?
I'm silent.
How long have you wanted to start YouTube? People, one kind of tricky.
How long ago?
4 years.
Wrong.
How many?
Clotting.
4. Boom!
Circumstances why did you start? No, Billy man. Next question. Feel like I don't want to upload a video here, guys.
No, it have upload.
No.
To me a late.
Team Cavian in the comment section.
Look on our face to my own. I really want to go on a team, yeah? Tell my people. Alright. Are my mother and father married?
If they're married?
Yeah.
Yes, Billy, they're married.
No. If you get a one, never you see, man. Remember me tell you, whole powder my dash by you.
Which YouTuber said banana chips?
Rolly. Really? Come on, Caviar. Anyways.
Don't be like that video.
Alright, why? How many times did I grow my hair?
Billy, you never tell me
How
that.
many times did I grow
2
my
times.
hair? No, wrong. 3 times.
You never tell me that, Billy. That time, yeah, and the last time you cut your hair, I don't know about the other
Listen,
time.
me tell you
Billy,
something.
man.
Before I cut my hair the other day, I always have to say,
No.
2 times, I cut my hair. I cut my hair the other
We know about no and the last time. 2 times.
Why you don't want to take us back? People, I tell you, before
Guys.
hold on, before I cut my hair the other day, I always
Yo,
have
me
to
done
say,
here, man.
I always have to tell her, say, 2 times.
Me done.
But why you should want to take us
Done.
back? Eh? No, you're man. Yeah. Come. Always a people. Before. People. I first video me say. The man not get that. The powder.
How many sisters do I have in total from my father's side and my mother's side? How many? Come now, you not get that.
You never tell people this unfair. She never tell me about her father.
You come now?
6 sisters you have.
Wrong.
How many?
Where you get that from?
How many?
Me have 6 from my mother's side and the rest from my father's side. Talk.
People. Well,
Come now, you get it wrong.
Me I take my smack, you know. Me I take my
You
smack.
get it wrong.
Me I take my smack.
Come now, mix.
Me I
And
take
the
my
next
smack.
rest from my mother's side.
But
So
you say me no.
come now,
What about the
man.
box,
Set
what
up, put your face in the camera.
What? I shall feel a box, man.
Come now, man.
Me not see nobody else a box, nobody else a
Guys, nothing more upload that video. Nothing more on my face.
dog woman. Okay.
Why did I cut my hair? Since I asked my question, I asked her back. Why did I cut
Because
my hair?
you guys, you never have a reason why I'm cut it. But one day, man, him the home, I'm just seeing
Tafian?
same tired I tell here.
Alright, lucky, they were chat. Chat foolishness. Box it. Come in.
What I fear the most?
What you fear the most?
Yeah. Speak to me nicely. The video is running. We need answers. I don't want to stretch out this video. This video must be 16 minutes or less. Come, guys, talk to me nice, no man. I said talk to me.
I don't know. What you fear the most?
Come.
You have to give me answer.
No, me have to smack it first.
No, you have to give me the answer
Water, sea, river, beach, yeah. You don't know that by now?
first. That unfair people. Take time. Take time back.
Don't tell me to take time, because when you box me hard. You box me hard. Eh? Come on the side.
People, all of a sudden, I like a video again. It's not okay.
Hey.
Where was the first place we went on a date?
Movie.
Or that round.
Don't do that. Movie, then
Go on,
Delmar birthday. Don't do that.
Go on.
Who inspired me to start YouTube? Who inspired me? And
People should know me and know the name of it, but it's a girl. Right? You know me and know the name,
alright,
right?
since you don't know the person
It's me.
name, what type of content that
Motivation,
person
motivation,
wrong.
I know. Me up on them
It's
something.
natural here. At that time I was
So that
going
that's the thing?
No. At that time I was going natural back in
What's your name?
20
Cubies.
No, back in
What's your name?
Back in
What's your name? What's your name?
2014 I was going natural. Yeah, I woke up on our channel and I just like what she had do.
And take time
I wanted
to
to
hurt
do
me.
it.
Seriously. Me that hurt me.
How that the art? And the last one, kiss me, babe.
No.
Kiss me, no? Mwah.
Yeah,
Last
back to
question.
two. And I the last one.
And the last question, boo.
What was the best surprise you gave me?
I think it was when we decorating at the room for his birthday. So why you take it out? You know me I get it right. Yeah, yes sir.
I'm suffering.
I'm suffering.
Yeah. People should write. Lucky.
Alright, bonus question.
No, the last one not for you. Last one for you now.
We don't have no more questions.
That, make it out the head. Make it out the head.
Alright, what is my top 5 places I want to go in 2020? What if I'm a bucket list, so me tell you some I want to go. The places are located in my parish, that is in St. Elizabeth.
People are being unfair questions.
I'm not unfair because of some when me talk about, me tell us some I want to do, guys. I tell them that I have some things on my bucket list. You could wait. You could wait. Don't do that.
People.
Last one.
For me.
Yes.
What color? And that surprise that you gave me. What color was I wearing? Clothes type. Since I remember it so much, and me remember it
Guys,
so much.
tell me now. Last year, February, how much you remember that?
People, am I person I'm a best surprise I get in my life.
One white shirt.
No, babe. Full black. And my ear did go lock and all them kind of thing. They will little
Well,
color.
never remember. You're not boxing me because we never remember the.
Yeah,
Oh, we remember the shirt color, Billy.
Yeah, shirt and pants was full black.
Oh, me if you remember that.
Oh, you mean, if you remember.
You don't box me now.
I mean, me not box. These are about two for that. You have to remember.
Guys, this is a video now.
Box me now. Remember that. These are about two for that. You have to remember. Guys, this is a video now.
I forgot.
Guys,
So people,
don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video,
Yeah,
comment, leave your thoughts down below. Hashtag Team Kavian or Team Billy, which team you're on. And I just want to say thanks for the 800 subscribers. And we're counting. We really appreciate it, guys. Remember, watch out all of the video
Please, people.
and hit the notification bell.
Comment
and like the video them.
Comment, genuine comment, people.
See you in the next
Freaky
video. So guys, we're just here, as you can see right after the video. We're just doing a little short clip, just a little extra clip. We just thank every single person who actually watch our videos, who actually honor our movement. I really appreciate it.
We might not have a large fan base as said, but we appreciate the few with the time out for watch your video, like, comment, and share it.
We really appreciate it. And for small, I'm not gonna say small because one day we will get bigger. For young, young persons actually doing our thing, it's not easy to do a video. It takes like a good half hour.
People.
Or more, just to try get the right video and the sound and whatever. And we're actually working on more equipments and stuff like that. So stay tuned for more.
We are putting the work, people.
Stay tuned for more.
And this talk again, stop the violence. We are standing strong against that. Stop all violence. Violence against women, violence against children, violence in our home. You see me?
Guys, and I actually have a discount code for you. Lulu Holistic Skincare. It's always in the description box. If you're willing to support us, just go on them page and use my discount code, leave you and get 10% off. I'm gonna try put the link in the description box, my personal link, when you can click on it and go over there. So guys, if you're willing to kind of support me. And
I remember people for visit our Instagram page. Mine is Jonah_Jenna, and there is Determined Levy.
And our couple channel is Clive.Kavian forever.
People, so grab it up. And she have a business page as well.
It's called Jewel and Grills and more. I sell earrings, I sell bodysuit, I sell different
accessories.
Stuff. So you can just go over there and subscribe and see what we have in store.
Take a view, take a buy. Take a view, take a buy. Bye.
So remember, I have a discount code Lulu Holistic Skincare. I'm gonna try drop the link today in the description box, and you can go over there and support us. I just want to say thank you all for subscribing, thanks for commenting, thanks for sharing, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.